Hey everyone, check out the NATIYA 16.4 feet stainless steel silver paperclip chain, perfect for jewelry making. This set includes a long roll of durable 304 stainless steel chain plus 10 clasps, 10 lobster clasps, and 30 jump rings. The sturdy paperclip chain is easy to cut to your desired length for personalized projects. With a 2.5 mm width, the accessories are large enough to make crafting easier and more convenient. You get two closure options: quick clasps for adjustable lengths and lobster clasps for an elegant finish. The kit also comes with sealed jewelry bags and a clear carry box for neat, portable storage. Whether you're making necklaces or charms, this versatile set keeps your supplies organized and ready to use. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.